Doing good. Oh no. Oh no. The viewer. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Gemstyle Journey. And on today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko mag-carve ng pumpkin for this fall season. At kung ikaw ay bago dito sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe. Sa mga brothers and sisters natin na nagse-celebrate ng fall season, ng Halloween, ng Thanksgiving, ay considered pumpkin as the symbol of protection. Kung kaya't every year, talagang ginagawa nila traditionally yung pagka-carve ng pumpkin at nilalagyan nila ito ng candles doon sa loob ng pumpkin at nilalagay nila doon sa front ng doorsteps nila. Sabi nila to protect homes from wandering spirits on All Hallows Eve. I have this chance and opportunity na mag-carve ng pumpkin during our family vacation sa Tennessee, na kung saan yung isa sa states sa United States of America ay talaga namang nagse-celebrate sila ng kanilang fall season, ng kanilang Thanksgiving. Very busy na yung mga tao doon sa pag-prepare ng kanilang gawain sa Thanksgiving. At isa nga ang pumpkin na to para sa atin, no, mga Pilipino, yung kalabasa, ang lalaki, tapos ang gaganda. So, I have this chance na para mag-carve. So, tinuruan kami ng anak ko at saka si Daddy Willie, tinuruan kami kung paano mag-carve. And according to Eric, yung manugang ko na he started daw carving ng pumpkin na yon ay nung bata pa sila, siguro mga 7 years old daw sila. So until now, imagine na ginagawa nila ito, no? Every year, every fall season, and nagsa-start yan ng October. Oh, excited na ba kayo? Okay, so let's start. Nag-drive ako ni Ann para pumunta sa isang nearest barn store para mamili nga ng pumpkin at marami ako nakitang mga flowers din and mga cookies in line with the Thanksgiving celebration. Ang gaganda, nakaka-overwhelm. Dating sa bahay, excited na kami. Simple lang yung mga materials na gagamitin natin. Bukod sa pumpkin, meron tayong tools and pattern. To start with, kailangan mong mamili ng pattern. At dahil first time namin, ang pinili namin ni Ted ay ang Mastery Level 2. Aba, at si Daddy ay pinili na Mastery Level 4 na katulad ni Eric. So, good luck! Next, carve an opening from the top of the pumpkin.
I'll start. And then I get a triangular point. First, so that way then
Look at that. You're gonna have to do all 4. No, I'm saying for him.
oh, and then once you get your triangular point, you just try to go around and make your way in a somewhat circular motion.
Third steps, clean out the seeds and strings, scrape the area you're about to carve until the wall feels about 1 inch thick.
Let's make forward. Tape the pattern now around the pumpkin.
And now, the most exciting part is yung pagka-carve na ng pumpkin, ano?
You're in the moment.
Finally, place your carved pumpkin over a battery-powered light.
Temporarily, dahil wala kaming battery-powered light, nilagyan muna namin ito ng candles.
You're outside there. In front of you. Yeah, tomorrow, kay Tata.
So, ayun, sana nagustuhan ninyo yung video na to, yung journey namin kung paano kami nag-carve ng pumpkin for the first time at hindi man ganun kaganda, pero at least no, proud kami sa sarili namin na na-try namin and I have this chance and opportunity na mag-carve ng pumpkin, okay? And again, kung bago ka lang dito sa YouTube channel ko, please favor naman, paki-subscribe and then pwede mo na rin i-share yung DIY video na ito or mag-like or mag-comment or mag-suggest for any tutorial video na gusto ninyong i-upload sa YouTube channel ko. Paki-click mo na rin yung bell button para ma-notify kita every time na mag-upload ako ng new videos sa YouTube channel ko. Okay, thank you very much! Thank you so much for watching and be blessed everyone. Ngayon pa lang babati ko na po ang lahat ng Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, we have so many things